Cryptography, November 2014, Part A. Define cryptanalysis. Cryptanalysis is the decryptions and analysis of the code, the cipher or the encrypted text. Cryptanalysis uses a mathematical formula to search the algorithm vulnerabilities and break into the cryptographic or information in security system. What is AutoKey system? 2. What is AutoKey system? An AutoKey cipher are also known as a autoclave cipher is a cipher that can incorporate manage the plain text into the key. The text hotkey uses a previous message text to determine next element in the key stream. In modern cryptography, self-synchronizing stream cipher as a autokey cipher. 3. Define the pseudo-random number. A set of values or the elements that is statistically random, but it was derived from known starting point and typically repeated over and over. It also called the pseudo-random because the algorithm can repeat the sequences and numbers are thus not entirely random. 4. What is the format little theorem? The format little theorem is the basics of the format primility test, and it is one of the fundamental result of elementary number theory. This theorem is named as a format who stated in 1640. It is also called little theorem. It distinguishes as a format lost theorem. 5. Define public key encryption. Public key encryptions or the public key cryptography is a method of encrypting data with two different keys and making one of the keys a public key, available for anyone to use. The other key is known as a private key. The data encrypted with the public key, they can also decrypted with the private key, and the data encrypted with the private key can only the decrypted with the public key. 6. Define the one-way function. The one-way function are easy to compute, but it is very difficult to compute their inverse function. Thus, having the data x is to calculate f of x, but the other hand known as f of x is quite difficult to calculate the value of x. It is not a mathematical proven. Thus, the one-way function exists in practical application. Function behave similarly. The real one-way functions are used. It is used for various tools useful in modern cryptography. They can be used pseudo number, random generator, authentication of messages, and digital signature. 7. Define RSA algorithm. RSA algorithm, older features. RSA algorithm is a popular exponentiations in a finite field over integer including prime number. This integers by the method is sufficiently large make it difficult to solve. There are the two type of key. One is private key, another one is public key. 8. Write here nodes on hash function. The hash function is a function that can be used to map the data or the arbitrary to size to fix the size value. The value returned by the hash functions are also called the hash value, the hash code digit, or simply hashes. The values are usually used to index fixed size table called the hash table. 9. Define the weak collision resistance. The weak collision resistance or the second privilege resistance. It is a property the given x. The hash function, it is difficult to find x not equal to x. H of x equal to h of x. Storing the strong CR or collision resistance or just collision resistant is a property. It is difficult to find any two containing x dot x having same hash value. 10. What are the requirements of digital signature? The digital signature is a mathematical technique used to validate authenticity and the integrity of a message, software, or digital document. Digital signature can provide evidence of the origin identity and the status of electronic document transactions or digital messages. 11. Define the one-way authentication. Authentication is the process by which one principal verifies the identity of the other principal. In one way, the authentication, only one principal verify the identity of the other. In mutual authentication, both communicating principals verify each other identity. 12. Define cryptology. Cryptology is a mathematics such as a number theory and the application of formulas and algorithm under the cryptography and cryptanalysis. Since some of the cryptanalysis concepts are highly specialized in complex, we concentrate here only some of the key of mathematical concept and cryptology. Thank you.